In this video, I will show you how you can do a video call on your iPad 11A16 using the FaceTime app. Now to do that, first of all, just open the control center on your iPad, then go to the connection section. Now over here, just make sure that your iPad is connected to your Wi-Fi network. After that, just go to your home screen and open settings. Now from here, just tap on your Apple ID and make sure that you have signed into your Apple ID over here. After you've done that, now in the main settings page, just scroll down and tap on apps. From this app list, just look for the FaceTime app. Now on this page, just scroll down and look for the option for FaceTime. Now just enable the toggle for FaceTime, and after that, just wait for a couple of seconds for the FaceTime app to fully activate. After that, just scroll down. Now under you can be reached by FaceTime app, just select your Apple ID or your phone number in this section, so you could be reached by other people using the contact number or your Apple ID. Now after you've done that, now just go to your home screen and open the FaceTime app. Now if it is your first time using the FaceTime app, it will ask you to sign into your Apple ID. After you enter your Apple ID and the password of your Apple ID, you will arrive into this section. Now to do a FaceTime video call, just tap on New over here. Now in this section, you can either search a contact by their phone number, you can search them by their Apple ID, and even by the name with which you have saved them. For example, if I search a contact using their Apple ID, I can find them just like that. And if I search a contact by the name which I have saved them, as you can see, I will be able to find them just like that. Now after you select the contact which you want to call, for example, I will select this contact. Now to do a video call, just tap on FaceTime over here. And after you do that, you will start a FaceTime video call to the contact which you have selected. And this is how you can do a video call using FaceTime on your iPad 11A16. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.